Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google. Tap next, agree and continue. Now go back, enter lock screen and make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google, Hey Google, Hey Google, sometimes you'll have to go back to voice match and retrain your voice model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now let's try to lock the screen and simply say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There'll be scattered showers with a high of 73 and a low of 51.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.